Hi, this is Mo Cammers from MHNK Associates. This is the last of a series of 4 blogs where we're looking at the steps that can be taken to review and include the data historian as part of your performance improvement plans. The first step was a data historian audit or health check. This will allow you to understand the current operational state of the historian and identify areas for improvement. The second step is the internal assessment of your operational activities. This allows you to fully understand the consumers of your real-time historian data. The third step is the creation of a roadmap for implementing the data historian improvements. This provides an integrated plan that will show the proposed remediation and improvement activities and will consider other key organisational activities or constraints. The final step of the plan is making these changes that have been detailed and planned into an implementation roadmap. It is best practice that these changes are implemented as per the roadmap in an agile manner. You may have heard of the term agile with regards to product delivery or implementation activities. It simply means that tasks or actions are grouped into incremental packages of work that allows for reassessment and adaptation of plans that includes end user feedback. Those familiar with the agile methodology in software development, for example, will be familiar with these packages of work being called sprints. So after the first implementation of the historian changes, there needs to be a review of the work completed. This allows the future phases of work to be adapted to incorporate feedback and lessons learned from the completed phase of work. This iterative delivery method is both time efficient and cost effective. This action effect feedback loop is common practice in product design and software development. The first implementation phase is typically called a pilot project, as it will allow early feedback and learnings to be captured and fed into the planning of the future phases. On the completion of each implementation phase, quantifying the benefits where possible is an important action. It allows us to gauge the success of the completed tasks. The benefits achieved will also be a key input into any communication plan, as it is important to share the success with a wider organisation. This will have the benefit of promoting the value gained and getting buy-in from the wider stakeholder audience for the forthcoming changes. Having feedback from user groups that have benefited and seen the value of these changes is important. This provides us evidence that the changes are benefiting the organisation and providing real value. Including this communication is an effective way of showing the benefit value achieved. So in summary, carrying out a review of your historian is an effective way of ensuring high data quality, improving data management practices and ensuring user data needs are also being met. It also provides a foundation for leveraging other value creating solutions such as predictive maintenance, big data and artificial intelligence solutions. This initiative will support the wider continuous improvement and operational excellence plans. To assist you in this journey, we have a data historian assessment to capture user feedback, and this assessment can be shared amongst your user community to gain useful insight as to how your users use the historian, what issues they're facing, what improvements they would like to see. We can also provide templates for maintaining stakeholder lists and creating implementation roadmaps. Contact us if you'd like to find out more. And finally, thank you for watching. We hope that this data historian video series has been useful.